Hey there, dog lovers. Today, we're going to show you how to groom your dog at home, so you can keep them looking and feeling their best without the need for expensive professional grooming. Let's get started. Section 1. Preparing your dog for grooming. The first step in grooming your dog is to make sure they're calm and comfortable. Take them for a walk or play with them for a bit to help them burn off any excess energy before grooming. Make sure you have all the grooming tools you need, such as a comb, brush, nail clippers, and scissors. If your dog has long hair, you may also need a pair of clippers. Section 2. Brushing your dog. Brushing your dog's coat is an important part of grooming, as it helps to remove loose hair and prevent mats and tangles from forming. Use a slicker brush or a comb, depending on your dog's coat type, and brush in the direction of hair growth. Be gentle around sensitive areas like the face, ears, and tail, and reward your dog with treats for good behavior. Section 3. Bathing your dog. I have already made a video giving you some tips and advice on how to properly give your pup a bath. Check it out at the top right corner of your screen right now, for more info. When it's time to give your dog a bath, use lukewarm water and a gentle dog shampoo. Wet your dog's coat thoroughly, and apply the shampoo, lathering it well. Rinse your dog thoroughly, making sure to remove all the shampoo, and then towel dry or use a hairdryer on the low setting. If your dog has long hair, you may need to brush it again after it's dry. Section 4. Trimming your dog's nails. Trimming your dog's nails can be a bit intimidating, but it's an important part of grooming to prevent overgrown nails from causing discomfort or even pain. Use sharp, clean nail clippers, and be careful not to cut the blood vessel inside the nail. If you're not sure how to do it, ask your veterinarian or a professional groomer to show you. Section 5. Trimming your dog's hair. If your dog has long hair that needs trimming, use clippers with a comb attachment to get an even cut. Be sure to start with a longer comb attachment and work your way down gradually until you get the desired length. Use scissors to trim around sensitive areas like the face, ears, and paws. Be sure to reward your dog with treats for good behavior. Section 6. Final touches. Once you've finished grooming your dog, give them a final brush and some treats to reward them for their good behavior. You can also use this time to check for any lumps, bumps, or other issues that may require a visit to the vet. Well, that's it for our grooming tutorial. We hope you found these tips helpful in keeping your furry friend looking and feeling their best. Remember, grooming your dog is not only important for their physical appearance but also for their overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more dog-related content.